Growing a home garden is a great way to know the food you're feeding your family is healthy and chemical-free.
Growing your own food has never been easier or more necessary. Food waste packaging and transportation emissions contribute to global warming. By growing food at home, you can avoid a trip to the store, reducing emissions. Avoid plastic and packaging. Ensure your food is organic and pesticide-free. Tomatoes, potatoes, herbs, greens, and beans are all easy to grow in tight spaces like patios. For colder climates, invest in an indoor garden.
They're so easy to grow right on your windowsill. You don't even need a whole lot of sunlight, and you can grow them for just pennies.
Growing your own food also reduces dependence on industrialized agriculture.
What this represents to me is freedom.
Ron Finley, aka the Gangster Gardener, fought to make it legal to grow your own food on sidewalks in Los Angeles.
Just imagine if we all started growing some of our food. And just imagine if we did it collectively, how that could change this whole system.
Our food choices have a significant influence on climate change, reversing global warming.
To change the community, you have to change the soil.
Earth-friendly nonprofit Green Course and the Humane Society have partnered to reduce emissions by 70% by encouraging a plant-based diet.
This summer, I was able to grow 75% of my own food in just 100 days, working only 10 hours a week.
Try it! There are plenty of resources available online. Gardening is fun and has proven to reduce stress. Happy eating!